block of 2 kg is suspended from the ceiling. A block of 2 kg is suspended from the ceiling through a massless spring of a spring constant K. What is the elongation of the spring? So first is a block is suspended from a spring. So what is the elongation of the spring? So what are the different forces? So on the block there will be mg downward and there will be kx upward. The spring force kx upward. Okay. So this two has to be balanced, so that the block will not move. So we can write mg equal to kx. So this x we needed to find. So mg, how much is the mass of object? 2 kg. So 2 kg into g is 10 and k is how much? 100. So we will get how much? 20 by 100 means 20 centimeter. So elongation is 20 centimeter. Okay, elongation is 20 centimeter. Now it says if another 20 kg block is added to the block, another 1 kg is added to the block. Now this time it is how much? It is some more. Mass is little more. Now mass is 1 kg extra, so 3 kg. What will be elongation now? It will be mg by k, the new m. So the new m is 3 kg. It will be 3 kg now. 3 kg why? Because it was already 2 kg, now 1 kg extra. So it will be 3 kg. So 3 kg into 10 divided by k, that is 100. So now it will be 30 centimeter. Okay. So this time the extension is 30 centimeter. So question is, what would be further elongation? So further elongation will be what? 10 centimeter. The extra is 10 centimeter. So further elongation is 30 minus 20 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter. So further elongation is 10 centimeter. Okay. The question is, suppose the ceiling in the previous problem is that of an elevator which is going up with acceleration of 2 meters per second square. Find elongation. So we have to apply a pseudo force here because the lift is accelerated. So if we consider a lift, and inside the lift we are considering the spring. Okay, and now the object is hanging. So what are the forces here? mg downward. Okay, since accelerating in which direction? The elevator is going up with acceleration. So acceleration is in upward direction. So a naught is 2 meters per second square. The pseudo force will act downward, ma naught, and there will be kx from the spring in upward direction. So kx will be equal to ma naught plus mg. So x will be how much? ma naught plus mg by k. So in this way we can find the extension in the first case. So how much is m? M is given 2 kg, 2, and a is 2, g is 10 divided by 100. Okay, so it will be how much? It will be 20 into 2. Sorry, 12 into 2. So 24. 24 by 100 means 24 centimeter we are getting in first case, 24 centimeter. And in second case, if 1 kg block is added, if 1 kg block is added, means the extra 1 kg is hanged. So how much will be there? If 1 kg is added, 1 kg extra is added. Instead of 2 kg, we will have to write 3 kg. Here it is 2 kg. So now we have to write 3 kg. So x will be equal to 3 kg, 2 plus 10 divided by 100. So it will be 36 centimeter. Okay. So now the x is 36 centimeter. Initially it was 24 centimeter. Now it is 36 centimeter. So how much is the extension? How much is the extra extension? That is 12 centimeters. So x dash minus x is 36 centimeter minus 24 centimeter equal to 12 centimeters. This is the further extension. This is further extension after adding 1 kg, and this was the initial extension before adding 1 kg. At just 2 kg was hanged. And this is the situation when the whole system is accelerated. So that's why we have applied the pseudo forces.